The local net share feature is used to access the user data folder of a single Haas CNC machine from any PC in your shop that is connected to the local network. Once established, the connection is operated from the PC. On your Haas machine, push Setting. Navigate to the Network tab and select either wired or wireless connection to make sure your connection status is up. Navigate to the NetShare tab. In the CNC name field, enter a unique name that's never been used for Haas NetShare before. Arrow down to the local NetShare enabled and local NetShare security settings and set both to on. The default local username is Haas and cannot be changed. Create a password and enter it into the local password field. Push F4 and wait for the machine to configure local NetShare. On your shop PC, push the Windows key and the letter R. Type 2 backslashes in the CNC network name. Click on OK. Type Haas into the username field. Type the local password in the password field and push Enter. Your shop PC is now connected to the user data folders on your Haas machine.